For new home construction, choosing between chemical and non-chemical termite control is about balancing long-term effectiveness with environmental and occupant safety. Chemical soil barriers using non-repellent termiticides create an invisible treated zone around and under the slab that termites contact and transfer to the colony, offering rapid population suppression when applied by a trained technician, ensure uninterrupted, continuous trenching beneath footings and consistent chemical concentration per manufacturer instructions and local regulations, and verify post-treatment soil moisture and compaction to prevent rapid dilution or displacement. Non-chemical physical barriers like stainless steel mesh or graded silica sand work by blocking access and are ideal where chemical use is limited, so specify correct mesh aperture, embed depth, and overlap at seams, and inspect prior to concrete pour to prevent installation gaps. Sand must be uniform particle size and compacted to manufacturer density to keep interparticle voids too small for termite movement. Baiting systems provide colony monitoring and targeted control by placing cellulose baits with slow-acting active ingredients outside foundations, and they excel when used as part of an integrated program because they reduce non-target exposure, perform regular inspections every 30 days early in service life, and maintain records of bait reads to detect trends before damage occurs. Treated lumber and borate wood treatments protect framing members from ingestion and residual damage, but borate is water-soluble, so it must remain dry or be reintroduced in remodels. Combine treated materials with barriers or chemical zones to achieve redundancy and specify preservative penetration depth and treated mill tags for verification. 3 common mistakes are incomplete perimeter treatment, leaving gaps where termites can establish. Improper solution is to enforce a continuous treatment plan with documented coverage maps and final inspection before backfill. Assuming a single method will suffice over the life of the home without maintenance, so plan a layered approach combining barriers, treated materials, and monitoring baits, and schedule periodic reinspections. And poor communication between builder, pest management professional, and homeowner about warranties and maintenance, which you fix by creating a simple written maintenance and inspection schedule and a clear point of contact for service decisions. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare these termite control options and connect with local contractors who can implement the methods that fit the project goals. Our site also helps contractors find work and collaborate through our discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange experience and practical advice.